Wow, that's beautiful.
And later on, then she's gonna
Let me
say,
kiss. Let me kiss. Let me kiss.
Birthday to you.
Oh gosh.
Happy birthday to you.
Let me see.
Happy
Whoa!
birthday to Daddy.
You wrote this by yourself?
No.
are you gonna read it for him? Are you gonna read what it says?
What it says?
Happy birthday, Daddy. I love you.
All right.
That was the last part.
I love.
I what?
I love you.
Okay. This part. I wish.
Happy birthday to
Okay.
you.
We'll move this along. Okay, Christian now. Wait. Okay, now. So let's move.
I love you, Daddy. Thanks for everything.
All right.
You want to read what you wrote inside to him?
Here, read it.
Happy birthday, Dad. I love you. Thanks for everything, Dad. God bless you. Love,
Okay.
Christian.
All right. What's this? An airplane?
A bird.
That's a bird? Alright, that's a picture of the Holy Spirit. Yeah.
What's up, Dad?
What's up?
Happy birthday. Here's a card.
Are you shaking?
I have a song for you that I written for you.
Okay.
So if we can all move towards the computer, if you don't mind.
We have to go to the computer?
So, yeah.
Why?
So you can listen to the instrumental.
No, it's loud. You can bump it.
Alright, I'll be right back.
Okay. Oh, you had everybody sign. Rhodesia signed it too? She did? Wow, that's pretty impressive. Oh, I know. CJ was coming back from Jersey. He stopped by.
Yeah, I sent it over. Yeah.
No, Rhodesia didn't sign it.
I should have said that. Listen.
Maybe she did. Maybe she didn't.
You guys ready?
Yeah, you could put it loud. It should be loud enough.
Francine, you can keep her quiet.
Try.
Okay. Listen, Pops, I know you and I had a lot of battles. I noticed since I moved with you, I've been a handful. Being a dumb kid, trying to have our fam dismantled. I guess being disciplined was something I couldn't handle. The entire picture that was in your vision about how I can get close to Francine and Brother Christian. Instead, I started dissing, disrespecting, and neglecting. I wasn't down with giving them a chance or a second. Yes, I am loyal, only loyal to you. I guess in my vision, it was just only us two, but that wasn't cool. Now I know that others love you too. I'm sorry for getting pissed at decisions that you would choose. I'm sorry for acting like everything was an issue. The behavior show was ugly and just very sinful. Many things I didn't say I wish were forgetful. I'm sorry, Dad, please forgive me because I just love you. Yeah, I was wrong, I apologize for causing damage. I'm sorry that my acts can sometimes be hard to manage. I love you, Dad, just know you mean a lot. You the best pops in the world, nobody can take your spot. Yeah, I was wrong, I apologize for causing damage. I'm sorry that my acts can sometimes be hard to manage. I love you, Dad, just know you mean a lot. You the best pops in the world, nobody could take your spot. You the man of the house, an idol in my eyes. You're always filled with wisdom, you an angel in disguise. Always seeking for my smile, and never my demise. Taught me a boy always runs and a man stands in fight. I tell you that I'm dumb, you tell me that I'm right. Every time I'm in a dark place, you seem to be the light. When it's time for my slumber, said you love me and good night. When you walk through the door, I know it'll be alright. This world needs more men like you, a lot more loyal dudes. Because you're a Christian man with positive moral views. Sacrifices made for me, I'm thankful and I'm grateful. I thank you for your gratitude, sorry for my attitude. Doing what I want to do and not always telling the truth. I could be deceitful, my words can be distasteful. Why you still be graceful? I will still be shameful, but I thank you for your patience and you still being faithful. Yeah, I was wrong, I apologize for causing damage. I'm sorry that my acts can sometimes be hard to manage. I love you, Dad, just know you mean a lot. You the best pops in the world, nobody could take your spot. Yeah, I was wrong, I apologize for causing damage. I'm sorry that my acts can sometimes be hard to manage. I love you, Dad, just know you mean a lot. You the best pops in the world, nobody can take your spot. I wanted that bond we now have. I'm happy when I was with moms, you never turned your back. You stayed by my side, said you love me, never lie. Now I know you just want the best when we don't see eye to eye. Sometimes I make you sigh when you get them calls from school about fighting other dudes and getting arrested too. I should've known how it was affecting you. I'll take the blame for the stress that I was putting you through when you were in the infirmary. I was crying internally. You don't go to the hospital unless it's an emergency. So that really worried me, really hurting me mentally. Hearing you in pain, I just went out of my memory. The love I have for you will be lasting for centuries. You fill up that empty space like your gut and your baggy tees. You accept my failures, but never disappoint me. The fact I'm still in your heart leaves me in disbelief. I remember you came down just to come visit me. You took me to ride my bike when the sun was so heavily. Before you left, you hugged me and began lifting me. I smiled, you smiled back. I got a kiss on the cheek. You left the house, I looked out, wishing you wouldn't leave. I was so happy that day. I thought it was just a dream, but I woke up smiling with that beautiful memory. And now I'm here today, hoping that you forgive me. I don't deserve you, Pops, at least that's what I believe. Because you're a blessing, a privilege, even a luxury. I promise to make a change, just to make you proud. And that's gonna happen before you go up to the clouds. Yeah, I was wrong, I apologize for causing damage. I'm sorry that my actions sometimes be hard to manage. I love you, Dad, just know you mean a lot. You the best pops in the world, nobody can take your spot. Yeah, I was wrong, I apologize for causing damage. I'm sorry that my actions sometimes be hard to manage. I love you, Dad, just know you mean a lot. You the best pops in the world, nobody can take your spot.
That was cool.
There's nothing to forgive. Heard?
You might get this kid some water.